Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all well and doing great. Here in this video I am sharing very beautiful and trending collection of all those sandals which are in a fashion, and these are very popular designs with breathable styles. Sling bag and open toe mouth style of these sandals with chunky styles of heel, platform soles and wedge styles trending going on nowadays. One of the best collection for casual wear, formal wear and office wear. These styles are very popular and very stylish. Super comfortable collection, you people watching here in this collection with eye-catching colors. If you are new here in my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for channel notification. If you like these designs, please thumbs up for this video. As all of these designs are very popular nowadays, so that's why I am sharing this beautiful and comfortable collection with you people too. As far as slippers are concerned, these are all very comfortable, soft and very practical sorts of slipper, and such type of sandals are also very popular. I am sure that you love to see this collection, and if you are interested to buy any one pair out of this collection, then just go to description box where you will find the link of that site through which you can easily order and do online shopping. If you want to see new collections of designer dresses, then you will find all new collection of branded suits and sandals in my channel. And whenever there is any new arrivals in brands, I try my level best to show you those collection with full details. Those who follow me right from the first day, they know very well always I bring latest collections of dresses and footwears for you people. I am sure that you will admire this video too, like previous collections, because all of these footwear designs are popular for all age of ladies, especially all group age ladies, because of its style. Young ladies love to wear such type of footwears for their outfits with different type of bottoms designs, and because of its comfortability, working ladies love to wear such type of footwears at workplace. These are so comfortable and soft that for longer period of time you will feel super comfort under these footwears. As in this video, you will find round toe, square toe, pointed toe, and peep toe, all best designs. Nowadays, square toe and pointed toe sandals are also very popular beside round toe. Two-tone sandals are also hot favorite designs of footwears. Now this bestseller collection because ladies loves to wear such type of designs. As in this video you enjoying casual wear, formal wear, both of different type of designs of sandals which can be perfect match with your lifestyle. So friends, keep in touch with my channel, and if you want to ask or suggest something regarding this collection or anything else, then you can use comment section for this purpose. Like color contrast in dresses, designers are trying to introduce best color contrast in footwears also. Now sandals are designs with double and triple or multi strips. All type of different straps like thin, medium and wide straps are used to design the footwears. In this collection you will see all different type of those heels designs which are very practical and very comfortable, very stylish, and this is one of the collection which is very popular all over the world among ladies. So that's why I am sharing this beautiful collection with you people too, so that you also come to know about these designs which are in a fashion and according to your choice. through this video not only you can take the ideas of designing ideas, but also you can do online shopping, because I always mention link in description box through which you can easily order online also. Different type of wedge style, block heels, platform soles, slip resistant soles, slingback sandals and multi-strap sandals you will see here. Double strip slingback design is one of the best design for this summer 2020. These designs are also available in markets all over the world very easily, because these all designs are in a fashion nowadays. In all brands, animal printed sandals designs is also introduced. Snake skin, tiger prints and leopard prints look so stylish and unique. Different type of very decent and beautiful designs of these sandals, best perfect fit for your all outfits, as this is one of the collection which is fit for your casual wear plus formal wear, especially office wear and party wear too. Friends, if you like these designs, please thumbs up for this video and share it with your friends and family on social media networks like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, etc. If you are new here in my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for channel notification. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.